Okay, so it looks real nice. It's kind of like a brushed finish on it. It's really nice quality with the arrow. All the welds look nice. Has the DB killer inside. All the brackets. The welding is really nice. And on the other side, it's so light. All nice welds, nice brackets there, nice design, and the link pipe. So it just comes all one piece. Some of them are the cheaper ones. The link pipe was separate, but this is all just one full piece, and it's so light. And it looks like you can service it as well. It has the hex heads at the top, so the whole back can be taken out and repacked. So even the seams, everything is very nice. And it comes with the spacer, the heat shield, a nice stainless clamp, and the gasket. So I'll have another video of it on the bike and the sound and all that. Alright, so if you're taking off the old exhaust, the bottom shield here has to come off to get access to the clamp. You have to either take off this bolt if you don't have the rack, or if you have a rack, take off that the new one. You have to take off the side cover. There's one bolt in here, 10, and it'll pop off. Alright, so I have it installed. It's looking well.